Good morning student. Today I am going to teach in mathematics topic number patterns. Students, as you know, in primary sections also you have studied that number patterns depends on the number sets. So a number pattern is a set of numbers that has been formed according to a rule. Means number pattern is the set of numbers that follows rule. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. You see carefully 2, 4, 6, 8. So gaps in the numbers 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So in the pattern, the next number will be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 onwards. Second example you see 88, 44, 22. See 44 just half of 88 and 22 just half of 44. This pattern found dividing by 2. If you divide 88 by 2, it will come 44. If you divide 44, it will come 22. So it follows the pattern dividing by 2. See example third, 82, 72, 62, 52 means this number sets decreasing by 10. 82 minus 10, 72. 72 minus 10, 62. 62 minus 10, 52. So each number is decreasing by 10. So this is the pattern of the decreasing by 10. After 52, 42. 42 after 32. So this follows the patterns. Now I am giving the example of some number patterns. First, rectangular numbers. Rectangular number means the number pattern which follows the structure of rectangle. Like you see the points 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the horizontal row and vertically you see 1, 2, 3. So you can write 3 into 4. It is 3 into 4 means 12. 4 3 are 12. Next example, you can change the pattern. As horizontally you can take the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and vertically 1, 2. So you can give the many examples of the rectangular number patterns. Second, triangular numbers. Triangular number means that forms the triangles. Like this point 1. You can see 1, 1, 2. So this 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Next example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3 and the bottom dots 4. So you can write 1 for 1 dot, 2 for this 2 dot, 3 for this 3 dot and plus 4 for this 4 dots. So it will come 10. So the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 which forms triangles. This type of number sets called triangular numbers. Now I am explaining the next sets of numbers, square numbers. Square number means you see 1 dot, you can write 1 into 1 means you can write also 1 square. 1 square means 1. This is the set of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Horizontally 2 dots, vertically 1 and 2. 2 dots. So you can write it 2 into 2. So you can also write 2 square. Square means the same number multiplied by the same number, means 2 time multiplication of the same number. It will become 4. You see, horizontally 1, 2, 3, and vertically also 1, 2, 3. So in both way 3 and 3. So 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means 3 square. 3 square means 3 3 is 9. And the next examples also you can follow the pattern, and you can study the next example of square numbers. Next, patterns in operations on whole numbers, means the set of numbers you can get by the sum activities, and you can do the different types of the operations like addition and subtraction of the largest 1, 2, 3 digit numbers. So largest number, as you know, largest 1 digit number 9, largest 2 digit number 99, and largest 3 digit number 999, and onwards you can take. As addition pattern you can see, for example, if you take 565 plus 9, 9 is the largest number. So you can write 565 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means real value 9. So 1065 plus 10 minus 1. So 65 plus 10, 75. So 575 minus 1 means 574. Next, 565 plus 99. We are taking 99, the second largest number, 99. Same way, you can follow the pattern. 565 plus, you can write 99, 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 means 99. So 565 plus 100 means 665 minus 1. 665 minus 1 means 664. Next pattern you can follow. 565 plus 999. See, 565 plus, you can write 999, 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 means 999. So if you add 565 plus 1000, it means 1565 minus 1. It means 1565 minus 1 means 1564. So you can follow this addition pattern. In this way, you can see the number as addition of the number 999, 999, and you can do this type of activities as onwards the number on the whole numbers. Now you see subtraction pattern. You can take any numbers, any examples you can take. I am taking 3275 minus 9. First, largest number is 9. So you can write this minus 9. So 3275 minus 10 plus 1. It is the subtraction pattern. So minus 10 plus 1. If you take minus 10, so it will come 65. So 3265 minus 10. So it will come 66 plus 1 means 3266. So 65 minus 10, 75 minus 10, 65, and 65 plus 1, 66. So it will come 3266. Next you can see 3275 minus 99. It will come 3275 minus 100 plus 1. Minus 100 plus 1 means it will come 99. So it will come 3176. Next, 3225 minus 999 is equal to 3225 minus 1000 plus 1. As you see, 10, 100, 1000. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the same pattern. And you can follow the pattern, you can get 2276. Now I am explaining multiplication by 999. This pattern you see. For example, you can take 267. 267 multiplied by 9 is equal to 267 multiply. In the place of 9, you can write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9. So it will be the same value. So next, 267 multiplied by 10, it will come 2670, and minus 267 multiplied by 1, it will come 267. After this subtraction, it will come 2403. Next you see 267 multiplied by 99. In the place of 9, you can take 99, the second largest number. So it will come 267 multiplied by, if you take minus, 100 minus 1 means 99, it will come 99. So 26,700 minus 267. You can take minus, it will come 26,433. Next, 267 multiplied by 999. So same pattern, 267 multiplied by, if you write 1000 minus 1, it will come 999. So same pattern, you can see 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 2,67,000 minus 267. If you subtract this, it will come 2,67,733. Now you can understand examples in the book. As example 12, identify the pattern in the sequence 2, 7, 12, 17 and write the next 3 terms. So next 3 terms, for the next 3 terms, you can see the question is given as pattern 2, 7, 12, 17. So firstly, you find out that by which number it is increasing. So you see 2, 7, if you take a difference, 7 minus 2, it will come 5. So the number should be increasing by 5. You can see plus 5, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, and next 3 numbers, next number means 17, means 17 plus 5 is equal to 22, again 22 plus 5 is equal to 27. So in this way you can see. So as increasing by 2 by 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 means 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, and next 3 patterns, 17 plus 5 is equal to 22, 22 plus 5 is equal to 27, and third pattern 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. So in this way you can write 22, 27 and 32. So next 22, 27 and 32. So these 3 numbers will come in the same pattern as increasing by 5. And students, today you can do the sum questions on the pattern self-practice 2E, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. You can try today. If you face any problems, you can contact me. It is very simple, and also you can follow the examples. Okay. For today's class.